Hey guys, welcome back to Kylie J's Kitchen. Today I'll take you back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I made my iced coffee Starbucks style. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend about Kylie J's Kitchen. You can also follow me on Facebook, it's Kylie J's Kitchen. Follow me on Instagram, it's Kylie Kitchen _1, and go ahead and follow my business page, it's Accessories by Lims. Remember to turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So here I have my coffee. I also have some milk. I also have my ice and granulated sugar. I also have some condensed milk, and of course I have some warm water. So the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and add 2 teaspoons of the coffee in my mason jar. I'm also going to add 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar, and I'm going to go ahead and add some of the warm water. Of course, you want the coffee and also the sugar to dissolve properly. So I'm just going to go ahead and mix and show you what it looks like when it dissolves. Alright? So guys, remember to subscribe to my channel. Remember to turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Alright guys, so now that it's dissolved, it's time to go ahead and add the milk. Wow, look at that coming along. Look at the color. And of course, I'm going to add some of the condensed milk just to give it a nice little sweetish taste, because I want it to have this nice little sweetish, bitterish taste. So I'm going to add some condensed milk, and basically we are finished. All I'm going to do now is just to mix out the condensed milk. Then I'm going to add some ice, and that's it. And also I'm just going to add some ice cream to the top just for garnish, and that's basically it. So I'm going to add the ice cream and come back and show you the final product of my iced coffee Starbucks style. Alright guys, so this is the final look of my iced coffee Starbucks style. I hope you enjoy this recipe. I hope you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I hope you tell your friends. I hope you already share my channel. Share all of my videos to your friends, to your family members. Thank you guys so much for watching again, and see you in the next video. Bye.